Hello guys, this is Asif, and in this tutorial we are going to see how we can use data pump feature of Oracle 10G to import and export data within the Oracle database. So let's get started and connect with SQL Plus. I have got one database here. Oracle SID is equal to data pump is db, SQL Plus is sysdba. I will create a directory where data would be exported and from where data can be imported. So I will create a directory, create directory name is dp dir. You can name it as you wish. D is the location in which Aura data is there, and then there is bkp directory inside. Directory has been created. Now I will grant read and write privileges on this directory dpdir to a user whose name is Scott. We normally know. Grant read write on directory whose name is dpdir I just created to Mr. Scott. So now Scott is the user who can read and write from and to this directory. Now what I will do, I will verify whether Scott has got any data or not. Connect Scott whose password is tiger. Select asterisk from emp, select asterisk from dpt and exit. Now I will use export command of data pump exp, which was old export. Add with it dp, that is data pump expdp. Scott is the username, Scott is the tiger, and db is the name of service or name of my database. Which tables I want to export? Tables is equal to emp comma dpt, only two tables. Dpt directory which should be used is dirc, which I just created, dp dir. The dump file which will be generated should be named as emp underscore dept dmp. You can name it as you wish. I just for my own convenience I am doing it like this, or just add one with it. And log file where the log information about this procedure should be stored is log file exp d data pump emp underscore dpt 1 dot log. There we go. So now this should work properly, and the data from emp table and dpt table should be exported into a single file whose name is emp underscore dpt1, and date file is available inside the directory which you have created. So now I will go and delete the data from emp table and dpt table, and then I will import it. So connect Scott SQL Plus Scott tiger drop table emp drop table dpt, data has been dropped, tables have been dropped. Now what I will do, I will exit from here. If I issue select asterisk from emp, nothing, select asterisk from dpt, should be nothing, pt, nothing, exit. Now I will import it. impdp port, Scott is the username, Tiger is his password, dp is the name of the service, tables which I am going to import are emp and dept, directory from where I am going to restore or import is directory is equal to dpdir, which we created earlier and granted rights to Scott, and the file name is dump file is equal to emp underscore dept1 dot dmp. So this is the same file which we created up here, dump file emp dpt1 dot dmp, and the log information about the process should go into imp dp emp underscore dpt1 dot log. So let's see whether it succeeds. So now I will go into SQL plus using Scott Tiger, and the service is dp select asterisk from emp, select asterisk from dpt. Yeah, so this is how we can create a directory in Oracle. This is how we can grant rights, read and write rights to Scott user on the directory. Then we export it using expdp utility. Then we removed data from the Scott user, and then finally we imported data using impdp utility, and then we verified it. So this whole procedure has been explained. Import, expand, export was already available when Oracle 7.3 was introduced, but with Oracle 10G, export data pump has significantly improved the performance of data export and data import. Especially data export has been the performance of data export has been improved tenfolds, and performance of data import has been improved almost 5 to 7 folds. So it is a significant improvement for database data import and export. Using these two utilities, you can export a single user schema. You can export a single table, you can export the whole database, you can export multiple schemas in single statement. So all these features are available using this data pump, but of course you need to create the directory first to be able to access, import and export utilities of data pump. Thank you very much, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.